All right, this is the 1824 gas model from SplitForce. So let me do a quick walk around and then we'll start bucking up some of these logs here. So again, we got the regular New York style log load up here. These are 24 footers, which this 1824 gas model handles with ease. The standard 1824 is a 3-strand live deck, what you saw over there on the 14, but we go ahead and do an extended frame on this again, just kind of as that Northeast special. So everything from this weld forward gives you the extra room and the extra leg out there. So the 24 footers, you don't have to rotate them one way or the other for the butt end because they're not going to teeter-totter on this at all. You do notice this is a tandem axle. SplitForce is trying to Henry Ford the inventory, so it'll take the same frame as the diesel. You just get the little gas motor versus the 49 horsepower Kohler. There are some production upgrades that go with the diesel, but from an economical standpoint, this 38 horsepower definitely gets it done. So it is an EFI Kohler 38 horsepower. It's kind of a 999 cc. There is a 3-year warranty on the motor through Kohler. It's a 1-year warranty on everything else from SplitForce. So 38 horse, bigger pump. We did the fast split on this, the big bore cylinder, so it's got like the bigger rod. You get the oil cooler, the sawdust chute, bigger oil tank than the 14, same automatic lube minder. With the 18 series, you do get the last log holder that is standard on the gas model. The positive stop was an upgrade. This one is going again with the full wedge package, 4-way, 6-way, and I think the 8-way is all the way over there by the 2024. And again, once you get to the 18 platform, we do the side-to-side pivot conveyor on these. This is a 14-foot conveyor, easily filling our 3rd cord power lift bags. These are the rods that hold the conveyor for transport. The leg is adjustable in 4 different positions, and then you can pull the pins down here, and then they even extend for a taller output. Nice operator's platform, diamond plate fenders, and again, you know, kind of Cadillacing these up. We do the auto cycle, and then the big bore, like I said, the fast split, and then everything else is pretty much standard operating features. So we'll get this one warmed up and fired up, but again, 24-foot pieces. Again, just you got to remember to get enough room on here to pass the guard there by the clamp. But 4-strand live deck, easily handling the 24 footers. right, so that was our 1824 gas model. Again, we're up here at the Boonville show. If it doesn't sell today, it does go back to my woodlot in Dallas, Pennsylvania. So today's sale price is $75,000. Again, we'll have a little bit of transport for moving it back home again, but it is full wedge package, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, extended frame, auto cycle, fast split, big bore, positive stop, sawdust chute, tandem axles, and the list just seems to go on. So give me a phone call, 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. We do offer financing. However, if you have a local bank that you're used to dealing with, by all means, use them. If you don't, then it's over on the website, shaverequipment.com. There's a finance tab in the upper right-hand corner. So, as always, thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on, like cool stuff like this. So, we'll catch you next time. We're always working hard to be lazy.